Hi, this is Earla Riopel again, and this is my continuation of my presentation related to implementation change of new alternative portal to accept cryptocurrency for a client. This is more like a summary. I'll be talking about the ASPE standards that apply to cryptocurrency and that would normally depend on the specific facts and circumstances. Therefore, it would be inappropriate for management to look beyond primary sources of GAAP in accounting for a cryptocurrency holding. Cryptocurrency must be analyzed as to asset class, and applicable ASPE standards have to be implemented. Questions such as, are cryptocurrencies within the scope of the ASPE standards? During the analysis, initial and subsequent measurement must be performed, including accounting for any increase and decrease in value of cryptocurrencies. So, as we know, there are no specific rules provided by the government for cryptocurrency, thus accounting for property transaction will apply. This would be based on frequency of cryptocurrency transactions, holding period, intention for acquisition, nature and quantity held, time spent, taxpayer knowledge of the market and how it relates to the taxpayer, and other business activities. So, once the above computer literacy and information system knowledge, accounting issues related to cryptocurrency stated are well understood, I would recommend that the client perform any implementation change on its new alternative portal to accept cryptocurrency. As I mentioned, there are three parts in my presentation. First, the IT component and accounting issue that surround cryptocurrency. And the third would be the use of Power BI on foreign currency transaction. Here, as you noticed, there are significant impacts of Power BI for measuring foreign currency transactions. As you noticed, I have created a card visualization which shows the number of US dollar transactions over the past 2 years. Also, a stack bar chart showing the US dollar transaction compared to Canadian transactions. Also, a table showing the dollar value of US dollar transaction compared to Canadian dollar transaction. As you noticed, Power BI is very similar to Excel's pivot table, and what it does is it tracks the following information about companies, vendors as to region, global geographic region. In this case, we used North America as a region. The country of product origin, we picked two here, Canada and the United States of America. Also, we use the fiscal year of purchase. Also, we order ID. This is more like a detailed info that we can find through checking the trail of the information that had been collected and used for this graph and tables. Also, units of purchase is another detailed information or data that includes number of units purchased for order ID. Also, another detail that the data used is unit cost. The unit cost of each item reported in Canadian dollars. If you want the Canadian dollars amount, or you can do the same way for American dollars as well. And of course, the total cost of the order units purchased and unit cost, which in this case we use that here. The total cost by country, Canada and United States. Now it seems that I'm close to the end of my presentation. Of course, I cannot all. I don't. I have to do a research to find all this information, and I would like to thank Chartered Professional Accountants of Canada, CPABC. I have used one of their article distributed online, titled An Introduction to Accounting for Cryptocurrency under Accounting Standards for Private Enterprises, called ASPE. Also, I have used information from MIS 9 edition, Management Information System, MIS by Bidgoli or Hassan Migoli. I just finished taking MIS course last semester, so I thought it would be a good idea to share what I've learned through that course, and it was a great course, that's for sure. If you want to know IT, that's the best course to take. And there's more, of course, to MIS courses. So for now, back to my IT presentation. As I said, this is a great pleasure for you. If you like this presentation, it's great. And if not, then anyway, thank you very much for your time, and hopefully this presentation, the information given here are helpful, and you might be used for your career, or even just for self-interest investments, or accounting, and for tax, and whenever it helps you. Hopefully it's helpful for you. And as I said, thank you very much for your time.